This 2025 Winnebago Mini Winnie 26T is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features a Lennon MG, taupe, GDFTMEDGRAY interior, sleeps 8, leveling jacks, air conditioning, awning, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, slide-out, microwave, TV antenna, smoke detector, water heater, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Winnebago Mini Winnie 26T is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.